Hi, this is Edith, Center for Teaching and Learning Lead at Klamath Community College, and in this video I am going to go over the calendar feature in Canvas. The calendar feature helps you see all your assignments and due dates in one place. Please note, do not rely on the calendar or the to-do list feature for your assignments and due dates. Use your modules, covered in another Canvas video, to keep current with your assignments. Due dates in the calendar may be misleading, especially when it comes to the discussion board due dates. Due dates are the last day a student can submit an assignment. To get to the calendar, click on the calendar icon. Here you can see you have different views. You have the week, the month, and you have an agenda view. The agenda view shows the assignments in the order that they are due. You can add your own events to the calendar by clicking on the plus sign and entering the information in here, and click Submit. The small calendar lets you navigate through the different months to get the information of future events. Your courses should have automatically populated over to the calendar. If not, please contact the Center for Teaching and Learning for additional help. You can change the color of your notification tiles in the calendar by clicking on the three ellipses, selecting the color of your choice, and clicking Apply. To add your calendars to Outlook, Google Calendar, iCal, etc., click on the Calendar Feed button. Copy and paste the link in any calendar app that takes iCal feeds. Be advised that some instructors may require you to sign up for an event, such as office hours or a live quiz. If your instructor requires you to sign up, go to your calendar, click on Find Appointments, select the course that requires the appointment. The appointment calendar shows up on your calendar feed. Click on the date and time that you want to set your appointment for and click Reserve. Again, it is very important you do not rely on just your calendar or the to-do list for due dates. The calendar is meant to be a reminder guide and help you to stay on track. In this video, we covered the Canvas calendar features, how to view the calendar in different views, adding your own events, understanding due dates, changing colors for each class calendar notification, adding a calendar feed to other calendar apps. In addition, how to find and set an appointment with an instructor who requires one. Part 5 of the Canvas Overview series will cover your Canvas inbox.